Hello guys, this is loading so right now so it may not take that long. Hello guys, it's Marcos here. So you remember the time the video that I uploaded titled showing off my shapes. That was like 1 year ago in 2025. Here's the new update in Mellow Playground 5.4. You can see the update here what they added. Like you can see what they added. They added the new lava. So I'm basically gonna show my save. Ignore the ads. Alright guys, ignore the ads. I will turn off my Wi-Fi, okay? Okay? My Wi-Fi is off guys, so hopefully you can enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe because I am almost graduating in grade 3, so I hope you like it. So let's start the video. I would really appreciate you liking and subscribing because my progress is really going well and it's extremely hard to touch and swallowing feels super a little bit difficult. So let's go. First of all, we got grade 1 x1 x1. Okay. So we also come to the first. Next we got Roaches 313 Parasite. Now here's the mods. First, Ghost Melon. I definitely made this mod this save by just using a balloon stuck on a melon and saving it. And second of all, we have a Jurassic Redemption by Philo. We have a help, my game crashed. Well, editing tutorial. So this is T-Rex. You know, it's kind of laggy to see. Well, it's too laggy, you can just turn on screen closer. It has some great articulation. It does can open, and after that, you can move. Why does it always close like that? Next up, we got Mantis Anti-Air Trap. I'm not like those type of creators like Like when the name is too hard to read, like they just say what it looks like. I'm not the third creator, so because I support my family, so it cannot shoot. Uh, I've never seen it shoot. What does this try? It's automatic. You don't take Sherlock, that's boring. After that, I got a military base. This is my I made this military base by myself. You I forget about this. I think I made this. By the way, hmm, I used the that one in the video, the military currency in the video. I got it. Got mine. Now after that, we got Minion. It's a Squid Game game. Oh wait, I forgot. No, six Sherlock. Extremely annoying ads. Never mind them, like they're not there. No, wait, I think it is called. So sorry guys, there was a cockroach noise in my room, so I had to kill it. I swear it was like here. Here. This is me. I'm immortal. So here's my mods. So sorry guys, I cannot spawn the Monroe reactor because it crashes my game. So we will move to the next one. It's definitely a melon, but when you kill it, it is more realistic. I didn't buy the Gore melon mod, as instead bought it from the workshop. So see what happens if you do it. That's bloody realistic. Oliver. Next up, we have the Monosaurus. It's a long instinct dinosaur. Yeah, it is kind of laggy, but when it's spotted, it will just be a little bit. Yeah. Hmm. Goddamn, riding this Monosaurus is kind of good. That's bloody huge. Hmm. Oh. Next off, we have nuclear bunker. Ah! No wondering why I have so much lag. Cause my Infinix tablet is 2 years old. Oh, I meant for for one like like 4 years. Very many. That's a lot of days and years. So in got broken for some reason, but it's okay. Now we have the Odyssey Space Station. I don't know how big is it. Odyssey Space Station. Let me get in. Yeah, this mod sucks. Hmm. Now the final one. Um, old TV and a radio mic. I'll do the PZ44V for tomorrow because it's extremely laggy that my game is crashed. Look, it's two pumpkins fighting over one single minute. And also, we have a radio with that is kind of cool. So bye guys. Thank you for watching my videos and channel. I really appreciate you to support me. Thank you. Bye.